All right, to the Pro Motocross, that's where we're headed. Out of all the tracks here, this one looks like it's ripped and tilled. I think they also call it the Bomber. Looks pretty epic. This is like a little table, but we think we can land out here onto this single. Oh yeah, the soil is good. Looks like they got all kinds of mulch in it. Nice, create some ruts on the inside here, go around the outside. No warm up, just sending. Probably not the smartest. No, I'm not gonna send that one, dude. That one's pretty beefy. I can't believe he's not even doing a roller. He's just sending these things first lap. He either has no fear or he's stupid. Maybe a little bit of both, huh, Udi? Oh, that's pretty gnarly. Piece of cake. I can't believe he's just setting this shit first lap. Man, that's so fun when the soil is that good. Woo! Perfect! First try. Well, what we got here? A couple big tables or something? Okay. Not bad. This one looks like it lofts you up there. Oh, that one's pretty long. You got it. Holy shit! He definitely flat landed that one. Holy, that one launches you up there high. And then this is the table at the beginning where you can land all the way down there. Either table it or jump all the way down to the single. No problem, got this one. Little OJ, always OJ it a little bit first. Just seems smarter. Oh, too much. Too much. All right. We're not going to OJ. There we go. Perfect. Got this next one. Oh, dude, every time. Why? Is he sending this thing? No way, he's sending it. Oh! Wow, dude, Udi has some cojones. Dude, no fear. Oh my God. That was sick. I'm trying to see your speed, buddy. Alright, that one's not bad at all. That one just launches you so high, dude. Look at that, you got so much traction. The front wheels coming up in their corners. Taste it. See, these are so easy to overjump. They launch you so high in the air, man. Alright, Derek, come on. Come on. Oh my God, you are up there. I'm not gonna lie, that scared the shit out of me. Like, oh! There you go. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I might land on him, dude. That was so sick. Let's get it, Udi. Oh shit. He cased that so hard. Ow! Throwing rocks at me. Dang, he ripped that corner. My brain told me that I needed to catch up with Udi, so I went too fast. There you go. Take the outside. There you go, buddy. He's going for it! He went for it. No way!
Holy shit, dude.
That was awesome, bro. I saw you square that shit up. I was like, he's gone. He's doing it.
Oh my god, dude, that was terrible.
Yes.
That was so terrifying. Oh my god.
So you gotta hit this like at an angle. So this pro track is pretty technical. All the jumps are pretty much doubles. And you have to be like really precise with where you land. Ooh, that corner felt good. Managed to drift all the way around that. Holy f***. Wow. I just like lost traction and sent it off the side of this jump. Ow, my ankle. Is that from hitting the tree? What did I hit? I guess the front fender hit the tree. It's all bent. Man. Trying to gauge Udi's speed on this. Ah, I should have went for it. Oh, he cased it big time. Dude, good thing I did not go for it because he cased it bad that time. You all right? All right, Udi, let's go. Let's do this shit. If you hit it, I'm hitting it. Let's go. Oh, I did it right behind you.
Did you?
I did it.
Oh, let's go.
I gotta be honest though, I don't think that landing's gonna feel good no matter where you land on it.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think I cased it, but my ankles hurt. Alright everybody, so that's going to be the end of the video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!